Question has been debated among some of the greatest scientists in history. Plato, Aristotle, Isaac Newton, Bill Nye, Walter White, every elementary schooler in the country have debated this question. When Albert Einstein was asked about this question, he said only the greatest scientists in human history will be able to answer this question once and for all. I've been trying to find an answer for decades. Is water wet? And here is a definitive answer. First, we need to look at the definition of wet. And the definition of wet is anything that is covered or saturated with water or another liquid. Under this definition, theoretically, at a microscopic level, one singular molecule of water is not wet because it needs to be touching another liquid to be wet. But 99% of the time, water is wet because it is touching another water molecule. So, the definitive answer to this hotly debated question that water is wet 99% of the time, but in the very small instances where water is not wet, you would say because there is a singular molecule of water that could make it not wet. But most of the time that is not the case. So water is wet most of the time, but it's also not wet at a very rare occasion. So both argument points carry some weight and are correct in the end.